Hello, I'm Chris Hawkshurst, one of the service engineers on the NCEdCloud IAM service. In this video, we will run over the functions available to teachers that enable them to assist their students quickly and efficiently via the NCEdCloud IAM service. In order to view your students' information through the NCEdCloud IAM service, once we log on, we will click on the Account Management button and then the My Students tab. All of your students will display with their first and last names, their usernames, and the default password that their account was created with. When you click on an individual account, you will notice that a few additional details are available on the right-hand side of the screen, including their email address, the name of the campus, their Discovery Education roles, and their Zscaler groups. From this screen, you can export all accounts using this button right here. With this data, you can print out all of your students' accounts, their first, last name, their usernames, and their passwords for distribution to your students. If you have too many students to easily display on one screen, you can use this field to filter the results. You can see that as we start to type Jimmy's name, we end up with only Jimmy in the result set. If one of your students is having trouble logging on due to a forgotten password situation, you have the ability to reset the password for any student assigned to you. First, we'll select the user and then click the Change Password button. The easiest option to use in this screen is to set password to the default value and choose Change Password. It'll tell us password change is complete and the student account's password is now back to the default password displayed on the screen. If, however, it's decided to use a different password, we can again highlight the user, select Change Password, and come up with a new password. It is important to note that the password you specify in this box must contain at least 8 characters, have at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and one number in it. The text below will show you when you've met all requirements. And now you can see the password has met the requirements. We will have to confirm the password. If you do not type in the same password, then the Change Password dialog or button will not be available, and it becomes available once we have reproduced the new password in the Confirm Password dialog box. And our password change is complete for the student. Upon completion of the password change, the student should be able to log on immediately, reducing in-classroom downtime. If the student is still having issues logging on, please contact your LEA administrator. Thank you very much.